Have you ever wondered what happens when you crack your knuckles? That satisfying pop isn't your bones rubbing together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid, collapsing when pressure changes. Despite the myth, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Studies show no clear link to long-term damage. However, doing it too often or too forcefully might lead to weaker grip strength or minor joint irritation. For most people, it simply feels good, like relieving built-up tension in the fingers. But if you ever feel pain or swelling, it's best to stop and check with a doctor. So, is cracking your knuckles bad? Not really, but like anything, moderation is key.